Y'all, so y'all, I'm going to show you all how I pluck my lace. So with my lace, I always do with my lace closures, I always do 3 rows. So as you can see, I was showing you how it was like thin and then it goes to thick. So what you want to do is you want to part out that thin part and you want to part to the thick part. So I'm just pushing this hair out my way, and I'm just going to pretend that this hair that I parted out does not exist. So now I'm going to comb my hair back, and then I love to have my hair wet while I'm plucking because I feel like I have more control. When you plucking, you wanna be in control of the hair. You don't want the hair all wild and everywhere because you can't really see what you're plucking. So as you notice, like I'm showing you the line. Okay, so that part that we parted out, you don't want to pluck up by the part. Because if you pluck up there, it's like you removing hair from right there, and it creates a bald spot, and you don't want a bald spot. So you want to kind of pluck a little behind the line, but you don't want to pluck too far back to where you cannot see what you're removing. So if we pluck far back and we go to part our next section, we cannot see what we pluck. So 9 times out of 10 is going to be a bald spot behind that because we plucking too far back and we plucking too much in the same spot. So you don't want to do that. So I'm creating like this little peekaboo method. Like, I don't know if you can see what I'm saying, but it's like a little peekaboo. So as I'm plucking, I remove a little bit of hair and then I skip over a section, and it creates that peekaboo method for me. So now what I'm doing is I'm pushing all the hair back because I'm done, and I'm about to pluck everything all in one. So I like to wet my hair now because, like I said, I like to have control of it. I don't want my hair all wild everywhere while I'm plucking. And it's better to see what you're doing when you plucking rather than just going there and plucking and you can't see what you done plug, and now you plucking in the same spot too much and it's just a mess. You got bald spots and it's all over the place. So now what I'm doing, I'm going in with my I'm doing my method, my peekaboo method, and you're going to see me after I create that peekaboo method along the hairline. I'm going to come back and I'm going to go in between those pieces of hairs that I skipped over. This is just my pre-pluck method because when I put the lace on, I'm going to pluck to the hairline. So I'm already just pre-plucking, and so when I go ahead and put the lace on, I'm going to pluck again to shape the hairline. I hope that makes sense to y'all. As you can see what I was talking about with the going back, and I'm going in to thin out those spots that I skipped over. So now I'm just taking my hot comb and I'm smoothing it out to see if it's good.